Welcome to Mysterious Mars. I just wanted to do a quick video on a puzzling item I found in Perseverance Sol 538. Here we have an image taken by the mastcam. It's zoomed in to be closely inspecting some rocks. And what struck me as strange in this image, and is probably striking anyone watching this video as strange, is this object here. Well, I'm not sure it's really an object, but let's say it's a pattern in the sand. So this material here is sand. This is what makes up the dunes and so forth that we see in these rover images. So in theory, this is a kind of loose particulate matter. This material here is some kind of stone. This is some kind of stone, but this is sand. So somehow in sand, we have what looks like almost a machine cut kind of feature. So it's especially odd because up here, it seems you see the surface is higher than the center area. So like it's kind of sunken in. Whereas down here, this inner area seems higher than the surrounding surface. So it's almost like this is like a hard lid. I'm not saying that's what it is. I'm just using that as a metaphor that is fitted into an opening, which is very strange. And so as I was trying to read this image or make sense of this image, I really couldn't figure out a way to have this image make sense. And so I thought I would throw it out there to see if anyone else who sees this might be able to explain what's going on here. I was trying to think through if there's a way the rover could have made this pattern. So the rover does have a core drill, which drills round holes into rock. The shape of this feature does not match the perfect circle of the core drill, however. And you might think this was the core drill, but it's being photographed at an angle, so it looks like an ellipse. I don't think it could look like this much of an ellipse. That's a pretty elongated ellipse. The other problem you would have with such an interpretation is that this material is sand. How would the core drill make such a defined cut into sand? And why would they be trying to drill through sand with the core drill versus just into the exposed rock? So I don't see how that makes sense. There's no other tools on the rover that would do something like this. So I'm really at a loss to explain what we're looking at here or to understand it. I couldn't find any commentary on this particular image or any kind of explanation of what's going on here. But if anyone has come across something like that or otherwise understands what it is we're looking at here, I would love to hear that explanation. So that's all I wanted to talk about for this particular video. Again, if anyone has any ideas about this, please comment below. And thank you for watching.